Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery without using any app. Let's begin. This method works the same on both iOS and Android devices. First, open the Pinterest app or visit the Pinterest website in your browser. Now, find the video you want to download. For example, I want to download something related to Japanese architecture, so I'll search for that using the search bar. Once you find the video, tap on it to open it in full screen. Now, since Pinterest doesn't have a built-in download button, we're going to use a different method. Tap on the share icon in the bottom right corner of the video. From the menu that pops up, select Copy Link. Next, exit the Pinterest app and open any web browser like Chrome. In the search bar, type Pinterest Video Downloader and open a website called pinterestdownloader.com or a similar trusted site. Once the website loads, paste the link you copied earlier into the input box. Then tap on the download button. Scroll down a bit and you'll see another download button for the video. Tap on it and your video will start downloading to your photo gallery. And that's it. That's how you can download Pinterest videos to your phone's gallery without using any app. Thank you for watching.